Take a ride in the 2023 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, mud guards, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.